My name is Angel Jones, and I ended up with VPR because Stephanie reached out to me. She had contacted me a few times, and she was so sweet. So she is the reason why I landed here at Plymouth Rock at VPR. It's because I told her, I said, I have a transaction that I need to finish, and when I'm done with it and it closes, I am coming over. And that's what happened. I got another call, I believe it was a call from Jake, and him and Jack are with UCP. He called, he said, hey, and it may have even been a text, because he said, do you have a few moments, can we talk? And I said, sure. So Jack and Jake, actually, we all jumped on a call, and it was the same experience that I experienced with Stephanie. When I talked to Jack and Jake, it was the same experience. It was like going through the same metamorphosis, should we say, but it was good. And when I start listening to what their vision is, what the team will stand for, everything that they're going to give, it made me want to be a part of it. And I honestly, after we talked, I think I made the decision like the next day or the day after, but I felt like I had to be a part of the team. And I've shadowed with Jake. Jack is always, both of them are always available. And for any agent that knows or have been around, there are brokers out there that it's hard to talk to. You have to talk to 4 people before you get to the broker. And I appreciate those guys. Like, they're always there. I've shadowed with Jake. It was an amazing experience. The information that they give and that they share on a weekly, we have weekly calls every Wednesday morning, is phenomenal. You probably could pay to get it somewhere, but for me, it's free. And I feel like I have the advantage because they're always there whenever I need them. So it's just a good feeling. And that's what made me want to be a part of this team, and that's going to stay a part of the team. Yeah.